The sun's energy. When it strikes the Earth, it can cover mankind's yearly energy requirements in just 1 hour. So why do we still burn so many fossil fuels? Why don't we simply use more solar energy? Schott is one of the few suppliers worldwide which offers products for 2 technologies to convert the sun's power to usable energy. First, tube receivers in large parabolic trough solar thermal power plants. Concentrated solar energy is transformed into electricity. The tube receiver, the core component, is made of special glass. The strong and stable sealing between metal and glass that meets top mechanical and thermal requirements is one of Schott's key competencies. Top performance. The 64 megawatt power station Nevada Solar One, close to Las Vegas, uses this method to generate clean electricity for 15,000 American households, and the potential is huge. A power station of this kind on only 4% of the Sahara's expanse would cover the entire world's electricity requirements. Second, photovoltaics. Photovoltaics convert sunlight directly into electricity, ideal for decentralized generation of electricity, a technology which can make anyone an energy entrepreneur.
Wir haben hier eine Solaranlage von Schott Solar. Damit produzieren wir Strom, den verkaufen wir ins öffentliche Netz. Das ist wie Geld verdienen im Schlaf.
This 100 kilowatt large installation is on a factory roof in Valencia. Here, you can see an installation which has been running since 1984 and works perfectly. The 425 kilowatt plant in Brockton, Massachusetts shows how a shut-down industrial area is transformed into a futuristic energy park. Our thin film modules even make it possible to integrate solar electricity system in facades. And the world's largest solar electricity system integrated in a roof using thin film modules is 5,500 square meters, installed on Stillway Station in New York City. The manufacture of crystalline modules requires more than established experience. Secure silicon supplies are also a must. We've gained the experience over the past 50 years. In order to maintain silicon supplies, we've joined forces with one of the most innovative silicon producers in the world, Wacker Chemie AG. Together, we bundle our know-how in order to improve the basis for highly efficient solar electricity modules, the wafers. Multicrystalline wafers are produced from a massive block. They're sawn out of ingots step by step. Within the course of the patented EFG process, the wafers are cut out of a thin silicon plate using a highly precise laser. The wafers are used to manufacture the solar cells. They're sorted according to very strict criteria and embedded between glass and the film. That's how a module is made. Thin film modules have proven to be a highly efficient solution for large solar areas. Here in Jena, Germany, they're produced in accordance with state-of-the-art methods. Using innovative process technologies, amorphous silicon is applied to high-strength glass panels to produce ASI modules. We optimize our production constantly with our own research and development. Each module which leaves our manufacturing plant is checked according to the strict Schott solar quality criteria. Our modules are especially resistant to extreme weather exposure. Solar modules must withstand the most varied of weather conditions. Therefore, Schott Solar uses only very high-quality components, which they test thoroughly. Independent experts, such as the Rheinland TÜV, test how our modules cope with snow loads, storms, and hail. The climate chamber subjects the modules to many times the required cycles, from -40 to +85 degrees Celsius, and afterwards, far in excess of the required 1,000 hours steam conditions, cycles at a temperature of 85 degrees and 85% humidity. After this, each module must provide full output. This means that Schott Solar makes harder tests than any other manufacturer. Indeed, harder than required by standards in the sector. This is just one of the reasons why our customers have already been convinced by the quality of Schott Solar products for a long time.
Wir befassen uns nun schon seit 1983 mit der Solarstromtechnik und haben in dieser Zeit schon manchen kommen und gehen sehen. Mit Schott Solar haben wir hier einen Partner gefunden, der unsere Philosophie von Qualität und langfristigem Denken 100% teilt. Wir sind mit vielen Solarprojekten in Afrika aktiv. Photovoltaik ist hier ein Schlüssel zur Elektrifizierung, denn ohne Strom gibt es weder Bildung noch Entwicklung.
It's easy to use the sun's energy. You have time on your side. One thing's for sure, you can always count on the sun, whatever the future holds.